Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform made for anyone with an idea and a drive to bring it to life. Describe what you want and watch it take shape. You can plan, customize, and expand in any direction. From tools built for one to platforms ready for many. From passion projects to enterprise-grade systems. Everything is built in and ready to launch. It's a new world of creation where you can go as far as your imagination takes you. Can you imagine it? Let's make your dream a reality right now.
Thinking about a degree in cyber or IT? Simple. UMGC. Low-cost tuition, 100% online classes, and job-ready skills that actually move your tech career forward. You can even gain the skills to become an ethical hacker. Classes start soon. UMGC. Apply today.
Money comes to me quickly, Yo, 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 yo. Mic check, mic check. Chatting, I am loud and clear. I finally seen start work back. Yo, now see my screen? Feeler, hold on. That's a cooler fuck. But you chat with there. They're back today at Tuesday. So can go on with feed there. You already know it drill, bro. Then levels, yeah. I did from yesterday. Is me somebody I get rid of them. I get rid of them. Get some new levels. I'm even forward on the charts from morning, so my first look at it. I have 3 days left in that monthly camp here. No, try before I like say anything or we'll start the analysis. I just want to go for the entire frame now. Like from the monthly go straight down, weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, etc. Just take a look at them to see how they like wait time frame I do. I don't know, I may have stutter dog. Hourly candle a retest after we close below. We also print a low at 92. That was a decent, like if we did day online, we could get a weekend trade at 92. That would have been clean at 9 AM. Alright, so we'll go over it now. I'll start the analysis. I'll start from the daily chart. Usually start from the monthly time frame. We don't like mark up or anything, we just like to take a look at it, but clearly the monthly can go bullish. We got 3 days left. Weekly can go almost flip 3 days, 8 hours. Print a high 46, top 46 and reject. Think of the daily can go high that as well. Yeah, daily can go open up. So 46 daily can go open. This daily can go flip back bullish. But I expect to fill the range. But so I said daily can go currently bearish printing a low. Push down with barely a top wick. But the other resistance though, if you remember yesterday's stream turn, so we have got to be careful. Once price start to push up towards these levels, you would expect some rejection. So if you drop down to a 4, so you can see price push up, start for reject, print a low, range for a little bit, then break out of the range, push all the way down towards 14 levels. No, not 14, sorry. 92, 91, print a low. Matter about this candle chart. Hold on. I talk about this area, so you see me. After we push up, tap the resistance, daily can go open up, barely a top wick, up straight down, range a little bit, close below the range. This current 4 hour can go open up, we print a low, then we flip bullish and we push up. So this is the thing, chat. We're gonna try wait and see if this 4 hour can go. If this 4 hour can go low is enough for like push price up. This lower we get at 92. We'll see if this is enough. Would I need for say like price close above, reject, and then break out again, like a range 2 breakout above this level would be decent. Range 2 breakout. Like basically what I mean by that, I either want to price push up, reject, or reject if you print a little fake out, that would have been good as well. But if price managed to like close back above the range without like break the lows chat, without break the current candle lows, this is what I mean by could look for buys, range 2 buys once you get like a closure above yasa. After price push up first, continue up towards the range fill. You see me? So that would have been the idea for buys. Would basically would I need this candle for close above the range, push all the way up, reject, and if we re-break the highs again for the second time, then would look for buys and the re-break at the high. And for sells chat, see la. The sells basically like more so like F price retest, which we already tap, price tap this level and then reject, re-break its lows, we could look for sells going down. But what I need to see this can go reject first and actually re-break its lows. What level is 60? Right, as a chat. Price basically we already tapped or came close. So if this can go start for reject now and re-break its lows, we could look for sells below 92. Sells below 92, we'll probably buy above 87. Wherever I can go reject from. If we push up and we break out at this range right also, wherever we push up from and then reject, we could look for like use that level. So that's basically idea there we have, and that's the 4-hour time frame chat. So let's jump down to the hourly. What's going on the hourly time frame? Basically same thing, looks similar. Retest, my way for surprise breakout and reject. Or if this, we got 8 minutes left, if this can actually like break its lows, that would have been decent. I think we have no news forward. Yeah, no news. I just saw a yellow folder at 10 a.m. But that's a basically what I expect chat. So we're gonna wait and see what this can go. Either, as I'm saying, either flip bearish, re-break its lows, or close back into the range. This candle might close back into the range, right? Cause as you can see, right, so we have like a little price push down, and then we consolidate. After consolidation, and this are the hourly time frame, bro. Range for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours range, and then price pop. We break out the range for the first time. After we get a breakout chat, you would expect the next candle like push back up, close back into the range, because after consolidation, you'd expect a manipulation where it can go like push down and close back into the range. This. So we have 6 minutes left, not confirmed as yet. Got 6 minutes left. We're gonna wait and see how this can go close. We close back into the range. As I said, we could look for buys above range 2. If this can go down, close back into the range and we'll flip bearish. Once price re-break its lows, we could look for sells going down. Look for sells going down towards just 80 levels. So that's basically the idea we have. You see me, but just watch out for this chart. After price range, and since this is our first breakout out of range, this candle, we're gonna basically wait and see if we get a fake out. Yeah. See you la. But today price action look good to chat. Man, I lie. Today price action look good. I even start stream later, saying no. I'm jump on the chat, bro. I start stream about 10 o'clock. Hold on, give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me a forward. I'm not done with this setting about me a forward. Yeah, so that the only time frame. I'm telling about push, consolidation, the manipulation. But we're gonna wait until this can actually close back into the range. That's when the fake out would have be confirmed. Easy my chat within like 4 minutes. I'll drop down to like, that was the only, I'll drop down to the 30. The 30 minute basically saying the same thing, chat. The range, the breakout, and the bullish candle will attempt to close back into the range. Basically same thing as the hourly time frame. You see me? So that will drop down to a 15. Same thing. But I'm so sure this 15 close. Look, I will close back into the range on the 15 time frame. The current 15. I'm change the color. Yeah, we'll get a 15 closure back into the range. So you know what, chat? Probably this 15 that close back into the range. Remember also we would look for buys on the first closure back into the range, waiting for a range to break out. You see me? So if this 15 close back into the range and we don't push up, because remember we have a resistance right here at 37. If this can go push all the way back down, as I'm saying, so push down, I'll close like back below, like rebreak the lows. We could look for like the sales idea then going down and the rebreak of the lows. But obviously price now gonna just fall down like this. You're probably gonna see multiple candles pushing down. Won't be just one bearish candle will close below. Well, we'll see chat if this candle, if this bearish 15-minute candle can actually stay down. Sales and going down will be decent, and if not, and we flip bullish, rebreak its highs, we have ideas for buys as well above range 2. So either way, I have like both ideas plan out, both buys and sells. Bro, somebody asked me other day why me have like 2 ideas. Like true, whenever me a stream chat, it's like me usually have buy ideas and sell ideas. It asks me what me I look for. I'm telling you, me I look for buy and sell. Or buy or sell. It's like daddy's surprised say, oh, me I look for 2 things at once. But chat, I just some do it like every day. So when my forward on the chart, me not have like, even if me have one bias, that no mean me can't take it opposite. For example, if a market bullish, that no mean I cannot take sells. A lot of time me have a bullish bias, I'm take sells for the day. Even though I'm bullish for the day, I still take sells. I've just understand like what type of cycle we're in. You see me? But yeah, me never have one bias. Anytime I trade, me have sells idea, buys idea, both. And I just come and say, alright, chat, I buys me, I look for today now. I'm swear, bro, even upon days when me bullish for the day, super bullish, you might still get some sell position. You see me? Think yesterday trade, yesterday trade was a trade with the trend. The buys we took yesterday hit break even. I was a trade with the trend. But when I think on Thursday we took buys in a bearish market, bro. Sniper weekend buys. And it played out. So like me try showing is like, even when you have a bias, you have to just understand like where the market I do now. For example, if we're bullish, the market just bullish, you see me? And we just push straight up, bullish. Even if like chat, this is the thing, even if price bullish, you still need pullback. Price don't just go straight up. You never see like price just push straight up like this. It always, before it push up, it always like pull back. You see me chat, always pull back. Probably we range a bit. You see me? Print like a fake out. Same market move. You see me? Always pull back. So this is your thing. Yes, clearly we're bullish. Clearly we're bullish, chat. But that don't mean say, oh, them pull back, you have to just understand like where I do like what type of like trade you're about to catch or you're trying to catch, what type of entry. So if the market bullish, you're not gonna enter a trade. If you enter sales, say enter sales like right or so. Say enter sales right or so. You see me? You have to enter sales and hold it for like, I expect like the trend for shift. Because the trend, most times the trend not gonna shift. The trend already bullish. You see me? So if you enter sales, you could look for just for your entry point to like the range fill, which level you expect to get top first before price push back up. So that's basically the idea, chat. As I'm say, we never go straight up. We have a level that's our price we check from. Price fill the range, and after we fill the range, then we push back up. But we never break structure though. This would be break a structure right as a chat. You see me? This can go a reject, push up. We never push down and break structure. So that's the key thing. You see me? So that's how I'm trying to show you. Like, it just depends on what trade you're trying to catch. Say how price range right as a price print a fake out, and then we close back into the range. It could easily look for buys like once we close above the range, because now you would expect a continuation. So that is a like that is a what you call it? This is a situation where we would take like buys with the trend. You get me, check? Because even though a trend bullish, we could take sales, we could take buys. But it just depends on the situation. Situation like this, we're going with the trend. Clearly as the price range, bring the fake out, close back above. Once we take some buys, now it's like a trend in our favor. I think it's a trade similar to that. We take Monday, similar. Mood say them completely same because we never really have no consolidation. Think after my enter, price consolidate a little bit, but before the entry, we never had a range. So I'm going to call it the exact same, but similar to that. So chat, we're not gonna see it more often, bro. We're not see it more often because I basically will do the same thing every day. 15 close bearish, next 15 push down. But waiting for like price break, chat, you see me? You'd expect this 15 for push down though. 30-minute candle, we close bullish, respecting. We have a level right as at 23. I could say we close above 23. Nah, no more range, bro. Oh yeah, we have range. You have rejection at 47 too. Not 47, 37. Holy can go print a low. Rage going up power. Alright, chat, so just go wait. Same thing we wait for chat breakdown earlier. Buys above range 2, once we close above 37, look for range 2 buys, and sells below once we break structure. Either 05, either 04, 5104, or we wait for the re-break of the lows right at 92. We're almost there, chat. As I'm say, closure above 37. Once price close back above this level, we could look for buys. Range 2 breakout. Buys above range 2, not the first breakout. And sells if price breaks structure at 92. We have level at 92. We have a level at 04. But price pushing up right now. 51.37. We just need like a range 2 breakout. Getting close, chat. Might get an entry soon. This candle can actually break out. Look, chat, something like this. See price push down. Price push straight down. Can't go draw candles, bro. Then price start to push back up. More see price break out. But if we break out above 37, we're going to avoid the first breakout. Waiting for a range 2 breakout. So if price breakout, reject, print a little fake out, start to push back up again. And break out for the second time. Once price break out like for the second time, then we could look for buys going up. And the second re-break, yes, this would have been full buys going up, chat. Look for take advantage of the range fill going up, but range 2 breakout, not the first breakout, because the first breakout could easily be a fake out and price push straight back into the range. Yes, my chat. So tell me a wait point. Almost breakout. That's a cool and freak, dog. price forward close. Well, we actually break like by like 1 pip. So when I talk about the chat, see how this can go push up and it's like we break. I talk about the current can go. We break 37 by like a pip. And then we just freaking reject flip back bearish. So that's the reason why I always like I avoid the fake, I avoid the first breakout, especially when the trend not bullish. Because we're bearish right now. Trend bearish, right? So that's like an extra reason why you should avoid like range one breakout since the trend already bearish. At any given point, this candle can easily like print a fake out above, like candle push up, next one push back down, and we just close back below the ranges. Here's in my chart. I even feel any given point. So that's why whenever I trend bearish, looking for buys, you want to add that extra confirmation to it. Price would have to break out before we take buys. Price would have to break out, reject, and then break out for the second time. This would have be ideal. Could look for buys above going up, as I said earlier. This would have be like, that would have be ideal, chat. Wait, we re-break the lows. We just price re-break the lows just now and flip back bullish. That's how it happened, or we never re-break. Whoa. Look at we re-break, chat. Surprise, re-break the lows and then flip back bullish, re-break the highs. Alright. So we'll see if we can actually close above the range. That's the thing. Close respecting on the minute time frame. Alright, chat. So let me get some levels. Mark up real quick. Usually we'll start with the 4. Hold on, I'm just delete everything. Put them back down. But we already run the analysis, right? We already got ideas for both buys and sells. So let me just get these levels mark up real quick. I think we have a level right here. First of all, identify the 4-hour ranges. I'm gonna skip my step. Identify 4-hour range, like the range where 4-hour can go in. We have a low at 93. And what I said, we have a resistance at 45, 44 levels. Right, so I'm put that down. Right, so the resistance at 45, the support chart at 93. On the 4-hour, like this is the 4-hour range though. We're gonna drop down to like the hourly. You would expect price to push up and fill the range first of all. On the 4, we haven't like completely filled the range as yet. We still got like, we have a 50 pip range going up. Yeah, still have a 50 pip range. So we're not completely filled the range as yet on the 4. Drop down to the hourly. This is the thing, we could get buys going up, but we're gonna be careful. Like if price top 45, 51.45, that's the 4-hour resistance. So go have to like wait. Like if we don't get an entry going up towards 45, go have to like wait once price start this level. But that's the only time frame. We basically like, since we have the 4-hour ranges identified, you would expect price to feel like 51.45. We're looking for like how we could get buys going up towards 45. 4-hour can go re-break, its lows. I never before I did the 3-minute candle. I them I see them. No, I 3. Yeah, okay, so 3-minute candle, you re-break its lows and push up. So I'm put this right, yeah, so see la. Can't even move this. Right, yeah, so that 3-minute candle low, that's also a 15-minute candle low. Previous 15-minute candle close respecting as well. Go up on the 30-minute time frame. Just as I say, 15-day close respecting, you know. So yeah, child, basically like price break the highs just now. I'm gonna see the range going up. Range going up is a 30 pip range. You see me? 40 actually. So if we're not getting the inches going up, we're gonna just wait and see how price react once we top 45. Got a minute left. Member chat, me telling us we're waiting for a range to break out, right? See price finally break out. We're getting some rejection. Look, this right here, so them bullish can get a push up. This was the candle, print a low and we break out. So we're gonna wait, like this is the first breakout, we're gonna wait for price reject. As what I said earlier, if we can get some rejection now, that would be ideal. And after some rejection, if we close above for the second time, I'm like this, price start to reject now. Push down, candles there, look away dog. Some jack candles, bro. May I say, yo, if we reject chat, I will push down. Then we'll get like any type of like fake out. We're gonna just wait until price close back above like a second time. So we could look for buyers about 40, 51.40, but not on this candle flip. I want to see price print a low for real. Some closures below this one, my draw. See this one, my draw. This one more off to chat. The drawing, bro. Like we could get like couple bearish closures. Would that be ideal? And like the minute time frame or something like that. And then the higher time frame flip bullish. Or re-break its highs on the 30, 15. That would be ideal. Nice. So we start get some rejection. Try to push down with top 38. Close weak bearish. This next can go push down and get another bearish closure below the range. So yeah, this is what I talk about. We could over place a buy stop soon. And buy stop would be on the rebreak at the highest chat. Like if I'm going to place buy stop, it would be on the rebreak at the 15-minute candle highs. 51.41.51. But I don't got buy stop as yet. Got 20 seconds. Can this candle close bearish? Close bearish. Can go push up first, sprinter high. Bruh. If this can go the printer low, that would be decent. Chow go. No buy stoppers yet. I wanted to see this can go printer low first. But it's like that never happened. We just push straight up. But I avoid this door chat because if this 3-minute can go flip, that would have sucked. And we have resistance at 45. Gonna wait. This can go push like straight to like the middle of the range. Let me see how much range I have going up. 27. Bro, me want to see this can go open up chat, top like 40, 51.40, and then flip bearish, print a low, and we could put buy stop on the rebreak of the current candle highs. But we'll pop straight into the middle of the range. Now the range going up is like 27. The range get more like slim. Long time in the day and the dog. Yo, JY pre, bro. Remember your name, dog. I used to always Fortnite chat. You know me they give like me they take a break from trading. Yeah, I think I did. That's why, bro. Whenever I did a stream one at a time, I think that I know when I did a January, yeah. I think a January me they get a trading a break. I chart never did I go on with nothing for real. Just get January a break, isn't it? But now me there about though. I just have to like stay consistent and the people in my fall back. You know when you stream and you like get a break, people even remember to stream again. That's why consistency important, dog. That's all I need to do. See, I'll fall back because I show up. But I will close back above. This would have been decent. We get a low. Nice. Can we get like a bottom with chat? If we close and this minute can go push down and we tap, we could look for buys like right or so. We look for buys right or so. At this level. If this minute can tap this level chat, I would mark it execute buys if we tap. We're not there as yet. Alright chat, just got activated in buys. Well, not activated, just mark it execute buys. Weekend buys can go flip. This is now a risk-free trade chat. You wouldn't expect this can go to re-break the lows. This is now a risk-free trade. Let's see if we can actually fill the wick. Nice. Sniper entry. That was like 26. The range fill is 35. I'm still in this trade chat. Stop loss to break even. We might get stop out at break even here. But we get a good entry though. If price re-break this low, you would expect a steeper low. So there would be no reason for we're still in this trade. 4 minutes until this 15 close. Can you re-break the highs chat? And the re-break of the highs will look for close full. If this candle can re-break its highs. Nice. Closing full right here chat. Alright chat, just close full just now. TP gets smack as well. But close full. That was the trade. The entry was crazy, bro. Sniper entry. That was 34 pips, 0 drawdown. Yeah, bro, like that trade kind of feel good, chat, cause bro, a 2 days straight back to back we went into drawdown. Freaking Friday and Monday, yesterday stream. Freaking bear drawdown, bro. We finally snipe something, chat. Not even freaking less than not even a pip drawdown. We can't even measure that, bro. Drawdown pan that is not even a pip, bro. Freaking less than a pip. Yeah, chat. So that was a trade. Let me just journal that real quick and then we'll call it a stream. What time we took this? We took this at 10:24. 0 drawdown. That was at 33, 32. For the whole that would have been 36, but that not really matter, chat. Like not that much of a difference. 32 pips. Yeah, bro, same strategy and Derv. Same strategy. But this is the thing, and Derv, like, I kinda like Derv, bro, I swear. Not Derv, I like Vix. But a Derv I use for trade Vix. But Vix I be a 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 me catch, bro. More I catch 1 to 8, 1 to 7. I ain't there for there though, 1 to 7, bro. It's like, but I'm not stop trade gold though, cause you know, this is what I like do for real, for real. Vix are just what I do on the side, you know, make like fast money. But I take my stream serious though, chat. Like, I not care about growing fast when I stream. I just I just care about consistency. But for Vix, bro, it's like I just like how Vix move. Like you can freaking double your money, triple your money. What time we take this? 10:24. You can still do that on goal in a chat, but me not do that, bro, cause me I fuck up everything, bro. You see, while I'm a journal, it build off a consistency. So if me I go do something different like Vix, me do it on a separate account. Me not trade Vix on my stream account. I don't do that, bro. Vix is a whole nother account. Same strategy though, but different risk to reward. I have a small stop loss on Vix whenever I'm trading Vix. But chat, I can't like do that on my real account. That no. I'm not play that game there. That was a weekend tree. Weekend tree by it was weekend tree play. No, actually, it was a breakout. It was a breakout because it wasn't like, you're probably not gonna understand what me I say, chat. It was like a freaking, like, what you call it? This entry we take, it was like a weekend tree at like, but you see a crazy weekend tree we could have get at 9 a.m. Yeah, kind of crazy that I remember that this Kango chat, this weekend tree would have been decent, bro. This right here, so this I want to call the weekend tree play. Whenever price in a range, you know, breakout, this are the range, right? Price flip right there, so, and we have like a level right there, so. I'm not talking about the current Kango chat, talking about like the bearish one and this bullish one right here. This was the range we're in, and as you can see, this Kango close bearish after a consolidation. Can't even draw a straight line. Price did a range for the consolidation. This was the Kango that breakout, push straight down. This candle, this would have been like a sniper weekend trade. If this can go open up chat, we'll push down and we'll break out, we'll tap this level because this is a support level, right? So as you can see, if price tap this level, we could look for like weekend trade buys at 93. Kango would have flipped bullish and will fill the range. But would hold this trade for so long, you know, would have most likely close off once like the Kango fill the range, because we have like resistance right as a chat. You see me? So this would have been the weekend trade play. You see, the trader would just take just now, it was a breakout. Yes, it was still a weekend trade, but it was like a breakout though. I'm sure you a difference. go up on like a minute time frame. I try. You probably not gonna understand how me I say, but I'm show you anyways. Side difference chart. If you look on this trade, I will just take, as you can see, price at trend. We go up. We're not overall bullish, but we just that trend just like bullish, as you can see from all the way then. So clearly we're bullish though. Price just a push up, break the lows, and we'll push back up again. Close back into the range chart, because you can even look on this as a consolidation too. This right so should do that. This right as a chart, you can even look on it as a consolidation. Price push up again, re-break, close back into the range, you print another high, then we'll break the lows. As I can see, we have a level right here, so price push down, we'll break the lows, close back above. So this was a breakout. This bullish candle chart, this bullish candle break out the range, because we have a level right here, so this would have been the resistance. You see me? We break out the range on this bullish candle, and this was the weak entry we took. So even though it was a weak entry, it was a breakout. You get what I'm saying? So it's like it was a breakout weak entry, because this was a bullish candle where break price out and then we take the retest. So that's the difference with the weak entry players and the breakout weak entry. Because weak entry player completely is like the trend like is a whole other trend, like so bearish, and we take like buys in a bearish market. That would have been the weak entry play. But even though we took a weak entry just now, the entry type was a weak entry. It's a breakout weak entry. You get that, chat? Breakout. Half hour. That was half of the minute time frame. Yeah, snipe that off of the minute time frame. Let me just get this over with, chat, because now somewhere for be at. I was 32. I make this green. I change the color again. Oh, wrong one. First time I say YouTube on your gram, I tell you I hit my trade. Oh, Vic's a trade, bro. It's like, I swear I never remember that. But a lot of people tell me say they trade VIX. I got that most Jamaicans trade, dog. VIX and they use DERV. It's also drawdown, put 0. 0 drawdown. I see chat yesterday, this trade we took at like the 10, we had like 237 pip drawdown, but we still win the trade. We close off like with a 40 pip W. The day after that, I think this was, when was this? This was Monday. I even remember when, chat, cause like me I'll have a day them fuck up. Cause today I'm not even 20, today I'm 24. But this I stream almost, this I last stream on my stream. I think this was Friday. Went into a 85 pip drawdown. Finally break the cycle, bro. But yeah, 0 pineapple. We close. I'm bearish for the day. Remember I said that earlier. But we still took buys though, even though the trend bearish. What is? Oh, it's a weekly it's a weekly, what you call it? Weekly total. And the next one are the monthly total. Let me zoom the scene. That is it though, chat. Some basically fill out the journal. Is it? Hey, remember all them I'm a trader we take past stream. Bro, I tell you, cool little deed we are way dog. This was in a December 2025. All of them trades I chat a live stream, I take them on every single trade you see in my journal, we take it live. But yeah, that is it though. Drop a like on stream chat if you enjoy. If you enjoy stream, YouTube can like push it out to more people. No way, say man, bro, you actually understand like it for real? Cause me don't feel like it that hard for you understand. The reason why I say you probably not go understand it because you probably hear it for the first time. And that are the only reason why I would expect somebody to not understand what me I say. You're hearing it for the first time, you have to like, you know, me never understand it when me hear it for the first time. You probably said that dog you speak Spanish. But when you show up every day, you gonna understand because we do the same thing every day. Hold on, chat, give me like 2 seconds, my fault. Either for to break the support, then the strength can go forward up and push. Yeah. And that lead to the breakout. So the entry we took was basically a breakout weak entry. Weak entry after price breakout is a better way to put it. This was a breakout and we took a weak entry. But bro, you're smart though, bro. Like the fact that you get it for like the first breakdown, that shows say, you know, your brain working. Me never get it for the first time I hear it. Only way people not gonna understand if them new to trading. That's another way you can put it. That's true. Cause probably if you're a trader, you probably know what me I say, but you just have different terms for it. I think most people or some traders would have called this like, I don't know, like a fair value gap or but I think it's a fair, what do you call this? Like other trading terms, cause me call it a weekend trade after a breakout. Some people that call it a retest, I don't know. A retest or they that use a trend line. They use just one straight line like so. So other traders would have see it in them own like terms. They have like different words, but we all see the same thing though. Simple support and resistance, yeah. Can call it that. But respect for forward out on the stream, bro. We'll call it a day right so forward back tomorrow and we'll just continue. You see me? So we can just stay consistent and I start trade VIX. By the way, we trade VIX on stream. You see me? We're gonna go crazy on VIX, bro. But I start trade VIX like 3 weeks ago. I need like at least a month or 2 months trading VIX and then I start trade it live on stream. I'm not trade VIX during goal session. Trade goal in the morning. I think I trade VIX in like the night. So in the night time could spark a stream and vibe out. Probably miss turn on a face cam. But that is it for right now, chat. Me soon tomorrow. Same time, same place. I say a word in a J, respect said way. Who that? No, me afford. I'm like, me afford, bro. So end off the stream. Retest weekend to Wickfield. Dog a foolish, yeah dog. But chat, alright chat. I'm gone bro. Me have something for deed right now, you see it. I'm glad I'm leave that for stay until 11 o'clock cause I'm not look for no more trades. That is it for the day. I think me see love. Me have to left right now, chat. Me soon tomorrow.